Have you ever looked at a wolf and wondered why it survives in the wild with such power and intelligence? Wolves are not just animals. They are symbols of discipline, loyalty, and strength. If you understand a wolf's behavior, you can learn how to transform your own life completely. Today, we will explore 5 powerful qualities of a wolf that can change the way you think, act, and live. Leadership. A wolf never follows confusion. It follows leadership. In a wolf pack, the alpha leads with confidence and clarity. This teaches us that in life you must take responsibility for your direction. If you don't lead your life, someone else will control it. Loyalty. Wolves are extremely loyal to their pack. They protect each other even in dangerous situations. This reminds us that real strength is not loneliness, but loyalty and trust. In human life, strong relationships are built on loyalty, not convenience. Discipline. A wolf does not waste energy. It hunts with planning and patience. Every move is calculated. Discipline is what separates success from failure in human life. Without discipline, even talent becomes useless. Teamwork. A wolf never hunts alone when the challenge is big. They work as a team to bring down stronger prey. This shows that teamwork can achieve what one person cannot. Success becomes easier when people move together. Adaptability. Wolves survive in forests, mountains, and cold regions. They adapt to any environment. Life also changes constantly. Only those who adapt quickly survive and grow. The wolf is not just an animal. It is a teacher of life. If you adopt even a few of its qualities, your mindset will completely change. Leadership, loyalty, discipline, patience, and courage. These are not just traits of a wolf. They are traits of a successful human. So ask yourself today, are you living like a follower or like a wolf?